Jason Schembri from the Sydney Antique Machinery Club. We've got a Jelbart here today, 1915 Jelbart tractor, number 35 and 484 on the engine. Fully restored. When we got it, this originally come from Narromine, but the collector who we bought it off from Warwick, Queensland, yeah, fully restored, rebuilt the engine. Engine was all seized when we got it. The roof was half there. We've done a lot of stationary work. The gearbox is like brand new inside. Had original water tank, but it was rotted out. Had no water tank. Fuel tank was there, but it was rotted out. So we got a new one, made a new tank. So here we are, we got the lubricating system, lubricating the two mains and the piston, these three oilers. So this is a 14 horsepower, two-stroke Jelbart engine. These are made in Victoria, Ballarat. Yeah, so it's a single cylinder, two-stroke. And you got the carby there, you got the injector. And yeah, this works at two cycle system. Turn it over to start. So yeah, it runs, starts, drives. Here we are, we got our Star, Walker Star, 1918. Real nice scroll work and all that. 6.5 horsepower, running nice. Yeah, all original, all the tanks, the fuel tank, water tank, all original engine. We've probably had this one for about 15 years. Come from Mudgee, it was in a shearing shed. Dragged it all out, we gurneyed it all up, cleaned it all up. This runs on petrol, it's a magneto engine. So you got your magneto, you got your spark there, you got your governor, so you can come up here to the governor. So once the engine's doing free spinning now, and once it slows down, just pack up, let's go, then that opens exhaust down, it fires again, hit and miss. These are made in Ballarat, Melbourne. Right, this number's 757 on the serial number. So they didn't make a lot of them.
The Old Machinery magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.